Convener of Forum for Restoration of Peace in Manipur, Ahsang Kasar, has expressed that indigenous natives of the state must work together and try to restore peace and normalcy in the state, and those who go against the wishes and desire of the common public must be dealt with by taking befitting actions. The statement was made during a one-day discussion program held at Community Hall, which was jointly organized by Forum for Restoration of Peace, United Committee Palel and Palel Merapaibi Apunbalo. Speaking on the occasion, Ahsang Kasar further expressed that Manipur has been taking part in the race of development and prosperity, with students taking active part in the academic atmosphere. However, the ongoing crisis in the state shall become a cause for setback of Manipur, with students being deprived of proper education for the past many months. He does stress that we all must concentrate in our own duties and take up steps providing education to the students. He cautioned that the act of depriving students of their education is also one of the tactics of the illegal immigrants to destroy the state. He also highlighted that the money being invested in deploying the central security forces in the Imphal Valley is greater than the state budget, and if the central security forces are unable to restore peace in the state, then they must be withdrawn immediately from the state.
Kaidaba, Nungsiba, Punamak Adugi, Akwe Wakalonda Hana, Akwe Tabata, Adu Amazangatai, Aduga Karikari Warishu, Intabata Taba, Hana Akwe, Lehansi, boy the Pemba Penda the Warisasi, Masigi Togle Haiduna Akwe Manipurgi, Mayam the Lariba, Jati Punasuna, capital Impa, Singapore, the town. Coaching Palace, my neighbor, Mayam City, Yana peaceful in the Lerega, Akogi environment, me way waiting Buggy Punsi, Akogi education, Akogi Taba, Lomi, Punamak Acidity, Akai take later than a Mopung Panatoba, Hibis Equi, Hamzi, Masida, Kana Kumba, Kalupna Mina, Henjadana, Madu Kainingai, Madu Toningai, Honaba area, Mapamado, Kadai no, Karino, Kanano no. Identified am a Fazana Totoraga, I quite security lady Bamiam Sina, Madu the Lanto. Kungangasigi.